This edition of the M&A Predictor is really a tale of two halves. First, we've seen the overall capacity to transact go up by a further 12%, following a continuing trend that we've seen over the last 2 years of corporates strengthening their balance sheets. Furthermore, we've seen that appetite to invest has gone up significantly, over 16% globally. This demonstrates that we're seeing share prices grow faster than predicted earnings, which indicates that investors are anticipating inorganic growth. Secondly, we still see corporates concerned about both domestic and global issues and hesitating over major M&A. There is undoubtedly an impact from corporates worrying about the tapering of quantitative easing, a potential hard landing in China, and the general slowdown in Asia Pacific, which is making them nervous about undertaking inorganic growth. As a result of this, we're still seeing M&A volumes globally decline. And indeed, they hit the lowest point for 5 years in December 2013. What, however, the predictor is telling us is that there is significant pressure from investors for corporates to begin the process of inorganic growth. However, when that is going to happen and the impact it's going to have remains uncertain. North America recorded the highest increase in forecast appetite at 22%, as well as a fairly consistent 11% increase in anticipated capacity. Surprisingly, Latin America shows no expected increase in appetite over last year, and only a very small 2% increase in capacity. In Europe, appetite for deals is a very healthy 19% growth, and capacity is anticipated to be up 12% during the year. In Africa and the Middle East, appetite grew by 19% and capacity by 16%, both above the averages that we're seeing globally. Japan maintained a relatively healthy appetite of 11%, but expectations were lower for the remainder of Asia Pacific, down by 2%. In looking at capacity, Asia Pacific was strong, but the lack of appetite is backed up by the relatively low level of M&A that we continue to see in this region. Healthcare has a forecast 45% increase in capacity next year and a 24% increase in appetite. Another strong sector was technology, which continues to increase its cash reserves and see anticipated capacity rise 19%, with appetite up 22%. At the other end of the spectrum, utilities, energy and telecoms are all struggling for capacity to transact as we go forward into this year.